Okay, here we go, girls. Another lockdown. Chance for us to get some awesome jobs knocked off the list. And at the top of that list, something that you've always wanted, girls, how to build a compost bin. Woohoo!
Right.
Come on, a little bit of enthusiasm. This is going to be awesome. Right.
So, what are we going to need?
Very good question, Ducky. What we are going to need is some timber to make it. Now, you could use whatever you've got lying around, some old decking timber, some old palings from the fence. We're going to use this. Now, I'm going to line it with some old polythene I've had because we don't want any chemicals coming out of our tantalised timber. Ducky, if you want to mark 1180 on there, we'll cut that off.
That would be there.
Yep, perfect. Great. Who's got to cut it?
Me.
Here's your bonos, put those on. Safety first.
Building later.
Nice and easy, not too rushed.
It's taking a long time. Is this good?
Yeah, you're getting the hang of it. That's great. Only 11 more to go after this one. Okay, here we are, about 3 hours later. Now we've cut.
Like 3 days.
What we're going to do, screw these together. So Ducky, if you want to take that, Joel, I'll get that nice and lined up.
Hold this.
Yep, you hold that, Rio. Okay, very good. Okay, away you go. Jeez, what's the rush? Let's get these other two. I'll hold that straight on level. That's looking pretty good.
Yeah, rock and roll!
Oh God, what have I made? Okay, Rio, let's see if you can be a little bit more controlled than your wild sister, eh? Excellent. You're pretty good on that, Joel. You like it, eh?
It's easier than using a screwdriver.
Well, I'm glad you like it because you got 2 more boxes to build, then we can put in position. Give us 5.
2 more?
Yep.
Hang on.
Let's have a quick look-see for level. Oh, you couldn't get much better than that.
Woo!
Right. Watch where you're going, Reed. Okay, step over there. Watch your fingers when you're dropping it.
Woo!
Excellent. Now, this timber is tongue and groove, so it will stay there, but if you don't have tongue and groove, you can just got normal retaining boards. You can either put a peg on the inside, but what we're going to do is just screw them on the outside. Hang 5 there, buddy. Okay. Awesome. You right? Let's drop that down, right? Okay, now we need to push that down nice and tight. Jump up and down on it. Beautiful. So we're just about there. Last little bit of polythene to staple on in. So, Rio, if you do the honours, just pull that around for me. Straighten that up.
Okay.
Ducky, staple please. Thank you very much. Take the top off. And then we are done. Shuffle fingers there, Reed. Okay, there we go, guys. Pretty good, eh?
That was actually surprisingly easy.
Thank you very much.
Easy as.
Easy as.